I'm Hui Ping from Inakit. I'm back with another pipe cleaner animal tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are making the chubby cheek wrinkle face PUG with pipe cleaner. If there's another animal you'd like me to make, feel free to leave the comment below and let me know. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. We need 2 pipe cleaner to make this pup. Let's take the first one and start with the head. Leave about a hand's length as a reserve. Then, wrap the pipe cleaner around your index and middle finger 1 time. After that, add a finger and repeat wrapping around twice. Twist it together with the shorter end to secure it. Slightly adjust it, then let's make the ears. Take the longer end and insert it through the 3 loops we just made. Leave about 1 finger length for each ear. And repeat the same on the other side. Now you have 2 ears. Make sure they are the same length. Now we are going to make the face. Bring the longer pipe cleaner to the back, then pass between the middle of the ears. Next, the following steps are a bit difficult to describe in words, so just follow along with how I show it in the video. Lastly, hide the remaining by going through the last 3 loops. Then, that's pretty much the head done. The last part is making the mouth. Just twist up the bottom 2 loops and hook them onto the first loop. That will form the wrinkly cheek. Now slightly arrange the shape, twist the ears down, and we are ready to start on the body. a new pipe cleaner, bend out the arms, keep all the limbs the same length, about 2 finger joints long. Then wrap around to form the body and legs. Hide the remaining pipe cleaner in the body and wrap around. Bend and adjust the legs to give it a natural pose. Now comes the trimming part. In order to have a more realistic look, the most important way is by trimming. Trim slowly so you don't overcut it. trimming is done, you can add color to match your pup's unique pattern. I decided to color it black using pastel powder. Use a smaller brush for finishing touches. Attach the eyes, nose, and tongue. And there you have it, a little chubby cheek wrinkle face pup.